Hey folks, Kelbob here, and I'm out roaming. I'm privileged to be on Sullivan's Island, the east-facing island guarding the port city of Charleston, South Carolina. You know, behind me you can see what's known as the Charleston Light, which is the lighthouse that marks the port of Charleston. Still used today. This lighthouse was actually built in 1960, but it's always been a lighthouse and it's always been a marker for wayfaring ships coming into the port of Charleston. The island itself has a rich history. It was a quarantine location for a dark part of American history, the African slave trade that brought slaves into the port of Charleston, a lot of disease, and they actually had to quarantine out on the island. Today it's a wonderful tourist spot. You've got the Atlantic Ocean behind me. Yeah, 3 cheers for the Atlantic Ocean. I put my feet in it earlier. And gorgeous beaches. It's spring break down here, so we got young people, old people, dogs, cats running around. Just really enjoying roaming. I get to take a walk down here tonight and then go eat some of the fantastic food. Hoping to catch some more of those stone crab tonight. They're in season. They're only in season for like 2 weeks around here. So anyways, great night to be out roaming. Hope you enjoy it. I certainly am. Gonna get my steps in. I'm so blessed, so privileged. Kelbob, out.